Hi everyone, welcome back. Over Easter, I was lucky enough to go to RAF Mildenhall and RAF Lakenheath. Obviously, there's no way of knowing in advance when planes will land or take off. It's just a matter of luck and being there at the right time. It's not easy with the fencing, but you can at least see in. I love the details on this wing. So it's not the best filming, but at least I get to show you something. RAF Mildenhall is the home of the 100 Air refueling wing, and they have the stratotankers. And RAF Lakenheath is the base of the 48th Fighter Wing. They have F15s, the Strike Eagles, and F35s, the Lightning II aircraft. All this information is taken offline, so if any of it I've said is wrong, then so be it. So now I'm at RAF Lakenheath, and sadly there wasn't a single plane anywhere. The most I saw were several tractors leaving the airfield. Presumably they'd been cutting the grass, but I don't know for a fact. I didn't see them cutting the grass. I'm just assuming. Just any activity was exciting. I'm in the designated viewing area car park, and there's lots of other cars here. So it makes you feel as though something is going to arrive imminently. But then when you ask people, they will say, oh no, we're just here waiting on the off chance. Before getting to the RAF bases, we stopped in Wymondham and had a look there. We went to the River Tiffey, which runs through Wymondham, beside Wymondham Abbey, and we were actually looking for a Kingfisher. As is always the case, there was no Kingfisher to be seen, but this is the River Tiffey. Did see a cat. And a buzzard, marsh harriers, and a kestrel. And you'll see the railway line that runs through here. This is actually the park, Kett's Country Trail, which looks very nice. But obviously, as we were going on to the RAF basis, we weren't here very long. But despite the rain, Wymondham Abbey was looking lovely, complete with the ruins. I need to go back here and do proper research and go inside the abbey and find out what the ruins are. And then I might do part of the Kett's Country Trail. Might even get on the train and go along through Wymondham. That would be nice. I think it's I can't tell if it's a marsh harrier. No, it's not a marsh harrier. A buzzard being mobbed by a crow, possibly. It's a while since I was here. It was such a great day. I can't tell from my footage what was what. But I think it's a buzzard being mobbed by a crow. I always find lovely places when I least expect to find them. Like there's this railway, and look at the little rabbit crossing the lines. So I didn't know this railway was here. but as another place to add to my list, my ever-growing list of places to visit. The Mid-Norfolk Railway is 17.5 miles long, but it has been closed for repairs. It's only presently open between Dereham and Thuxton, which is a 12-mile stretch of track. They're presently trying to raise some money to complete the repairs so that the whole 17.5 miles can be opened once again. Just a shorter than usual video today. I hope you enjoyed seeing RAF Mildenhall and RAF Lakenheath and Wymondham. And I will be back to all three places once again. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.